Yo, what's up guys, welcome to a new video here on Harpan Vlogs. Today I've just been sitting inside for 6 hours doing absolutely nothing and eating popcorn. So now we're gonna change that. I decided to go out in the rain and run 1 mile in the cold, in shorts. And you may be wondering, why are you doing this? Because mindset, you guys, mindset. So I'll be running 1 mile. 1 mile is 3 rounds around the place where I live. So I will be running 3 rounds around Skeppsholmen. Okay, so this is a map I made of Skeppsholmen. And this is where I'll be starting. And my goal is to run this entire route 3 times. And for every round I will be doing a challenge. But anyways, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm almost halfway done with the first round. I'm already sweating. It's alright, because you know we gotta get into that winter arc. Anyways, let's get back to running. Okay guys, the first round completed. So now I'm gonna ask my phone for a number 1 to 3, because there's 3 challenges you can choose from. The number 1 challenge is I have to do 15 push-ups. Number 2 challenge is I have to film the entire round. And number 3 challenge is that you have to subscribe.
From a number 1 to 3, I choose 3.
You have to subscribe. Okay, so I got lucky with the number 3 right here. But the challenges get harder as time goes on. Anyway, prepare for round 2. Okay guys, halfway through on round 2. Okay guys, second round completed. So now guys, it's the final round left. But don't forget the challenge. Okay, so the 3 challenge for this round is number 1, run the entire lap without a shirt on. Number 2, you have to like the video. Number 3, having to run an extra round, which I'm really hoping that I don't get, because then I will kill myself. Anyways, let's ask the phone.
From a number 1 to 3, I choose 1.
Are you fucking kidding me, fam? I'm already already cold as fuck. It's like minus 6-7 degrees. Hey, 6-7. Right here. Last round. Let's go. So guys, halfway through. Yo guys, we made it, chat. God damn, I'm so freaking tired. It would be really appreciated if you just subscribed, and yeah, that's it. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Okay guys. No, I slipped. Wait, fuck. Oh yes, finally. Here's my shit. Hi. Yes, nice.